Hey guys, welcome to my first spoon review. Today I'm going to be reviewing two spoons, but I'm going to go into this one first. This is a soup spoon, but this is a very authentic soup spoon which was made in China. Now, if you look somewhere, it doesn't have it on it. It would say made in China, but yeah. Now this soup spoon, it's really good for eating soup with. It's very good. I've had many good bowls of soup since I've had this. So if you look on this, you can see that there's very fine lines down the side. Not down the side, down the middle of it. That's to keep grip of the soup. Mainly because if you are a bit of a dribbler and you pick soup up and you got a bit of a shaky hand, then the soup's going to fall off. This keeps hold of it until, of course, you start flipping it over and stuff. So I'm going to test it right now. So I'm going to act like I've got like Parkinson's. Right now, as you can see, none of the water is going away. The reason I'm using water is because I don't really like soup. So as you can see, it's just keeping it all in place, like jelly. I'm going to try this water now. Oh, no, sorry, it doesn't taste very good. But yeah, as you can see, it's a very, very good spoon. I keep very good care of it, and it costs a good price of £499.99. I managed to get a £50 off voucher. If you're planning on buying this, please just message me on YouTube, and I'll be sure to respond to you as soon as possible with a link to where you can buy it, and also a voucher code where you can get £50 off it, which I'll also send you. So yeah, I'd recommend this spoon. Next spoon is this. This is the authentic coffee spoon. Now they're mostly called teaspoons, but the reason this is called a coffee spoon is because it's for coffee. So the reason that it's so good for coffee is because basically when you put the coffee beans on it, it's got a very good firm coating on it, so the coffee beans stick onto it, and the coffee beans don't fall off until you actually put it in the water. So right now to demonstrate, I'm just gonna get some. I don't have coffee. I'm just gonna get some crumbs over here. Right, so I'm gonna put the crumbs on the spoon. I don't really have a lot, but as you can see, it just keeps them in place. See, they're not moving at all. See, they're still on it. It's a very effective coating. It's a very effective coating. So when I mix it into the water, see, it gets rid of them. And now the crumbs are somewhere in the water. So yeah, that's my first spoon review. If you wanted to do more, which I'm pretty sure most of you wanted to do, then just leave a comment saying make more. But again, if this video gets more than 100 dislikes, I'm just gonna think about changing. The last time I sort of wanted to make a spoon review first, but yeah, if you don't like my spoon reviews, just leave a comment say what you want me to do, or just saying don't make any more spoon reviews, and I'll be sure to see what I can do. But for now, I'm having the time of my life reviewing spoons. Sorry, I forgot to give you the cost of this. The cost of the spoon, it's not as much. In fact, it's a bit of a bargain. It's £259.99. And again, if you want it, then just give me a message and I'll send you a link to it and I'll give you a coupon code. So yeah, to all these people saying that this is an April Fool's joke, it's not. I'm being deadly serious. So yeah, thank you. And I'll be sure to make some more videos of my spoons later on. See ya.